and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessie. I just did a massive Zara haul. So I went and purchased a whole bunch of stuff from the Zara website. Majority of it is autumn winter attire. It's from the new collection in Zara, and this is Zara Australia, so we're actually in winter right now and I needed some new basics.
Whenever all the stars above are shining.
So first up is this bodysuit that I purchased. I love the material First Feel, it's so soft, but this actually came in small, medium, large. I'm normally a extra small, so I hope this fits. I feel like just looking at it, the torso bit might be a bit too long. I also purchased this in another color as well, just in case it fits.
In a while, I know you're coming home. Tonight I know you will be coming home.
Oh, yep. Here's the second bodysuit. Exact same style, but in the color tan. I hope this fits. The material feels so nice. I really hope it fits. Next up, I purchased this blouse.
Every spoken word I wish for silence.
I kind of really wanted a nice white blouse that I can wear with everything. Online it looked pretty white, but now that I look at it and I compare it to my top, it's more of a off-white sort of color, but it is my size. It's a little bit see-through. So next couple items, I purchased these trousers. High-rise trousers. The quality actually feels amazing. I love the color. Don't know if it's meant to be cropped, but this looks like it's exactly my length. Normally when I buy pants, I have the issue of them being too long. I'm really excited to try this one. I also purchased this, the exact same one in black. You obviously need a dark color and a light color, and I'm always like that, you know, if I feel like it could be good, I just buy double or triple in every single color because I don't want to miss out. Fingers crossed, I can't wait to try these. Next item is this pink pair of pants. It's like a beige light sort of pink. This one definitely feels a lot thinner compared to the cigarette pants that we just had a look at. I love the color on this. It kind of feels very summery and very spring sort of vibes.
A flavor of a memory.
And the last item is this Zara coat. This material feels really nice as well. First impressions of everything I've purchased, amazing. Let's try them on. So first one is a bodysuit. This one fits okay, I think. From the top you can see a bit of the creases, so it is slightly loose and I can definitely fit a smaller size. The bottom bit was a little bit long, definitely wearable, but it'd be ideal if it was just a tiny bit smaller. Other than that, the material feels so nice and smooth on me. It's really soft and feels really comfortable too. And I love the style of it.
Then I know I'll never be alone.
Here's the black one. The fitting is exactly the same as expected. I actually didn't realize there was 2 layers at the top until I tried this one on, and so there's another layer underneath that goes up to here. So the top section is actually double layered, which is amazing.
In a while, I know you're coming home. Tonight I know you will be coming home.
Alrighty, so next are these high-rise cigarette trousers. I actually thought these ones are going to fit. So when I took them out, I thought, yep, they're pretty short. They looked cropped. Maybe they will fit me as full length. But guess what? This is so long on me. This is how much I had to fold. The waist can be a little bit better. I mean, it's not entirely falling down, but it's not staying up all the way either. It's definitely way too long.
Wish for silence. For every storm I long for peace. For every step I'm taking there's a sidewalk.
So I know the black ones will definitely be the same fitting, but I'll try it on for you guys anyway.
to get to you, to get to you, to get to you. Oh, yeah.
Next up, we have this pink pair of pants. So this fits nicely on me. The bottom length is fine, but honestly the top bit, I can't even hold it up properly without it going down. And the thing with these is there's no belt buckle for me to actually tie a belt on and fix that up, so this is definitely way too loose. They are super comfy, really lightweight, so I would just wish the top bit fit a little bit better. Next up is this blouse. I quite like it, but I expected it to be actually white instead of off-white.
I'll never be alone.
I think the length is alright, but I'm going to be tucking it in anyway. I love this coat.
To find a sunset, a flavor of a
This coat fits so amazing though. I love the fitting of this. This fits me perfectly. Finally. I love the colour. The sleeves, pretty good. And I love the length of it. It's so comfortable as well. It's really, really soft, not itchy at all. And it's got 2 little pockets.
never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding. In a while, I know you're coming home. Tonight I know you will be coming home.
Alrighty guys, that's the end of our Zara haul. I absolutely loved every single item. I love the quality of Zara and I love the style, but it's always a hit and miss for me. So sometimes it'll fit and sometimes it just will not fit me at all. And if you are super petite like me, I hope that this video has somewhat helped you in terms of guidance on the length and the fitting of all the pieces. Let me know which piece was your favorite in the comment section down below. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.